long day that I had. Yes, I got the turkey. This is the turkey video, okay? Shout out to the freaking fighting turkey. This turkey fought with me to be defrosted for days, and I got it defrosted today. It's in the oven. And okay, so as it was cooking, I was pulling out some juice, and I put the juice to the side, and I'm gonna make this a really easy dinner because I secretly did not want to make mashed potatoes. Now we all know that mashed potatoes go really good with like turkey and gravy and stuff, but I wasn't trying to do it. Oh, I look terrible. Oh God, let's just stay back here. Anyway, so I put 1 stick of real butter, okay, in the pot. I put garlic powder, okay. I cooked some noodles up, rigatoni, and I added some flour, and I'm gonna add more juice. Just a little bit more juice. This is from the turkey juice, so it has all of that juicy flavor from all of the spices that are on the turkey. So now I'm just mixing it. And let's go get the noodles. I added some broccoli in there. Yes, yes, honey, yes, yes. Listen, this could be for tomorrow's dinner too. Now I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. A lot of Parmesan cheese. A lot. Because I like cheese. You like cheese? We need some pepper on this junk. So what I will probably do if we don't use all the noodles is cook some ground beef up tomorrow and add some sauce in there. Make it easy for yourself, you know? You just make it easy. Don't tell nobody. Hopefully, Kilo doesn't watch this video. So, the secret is, I'm gonna give everybody the broccoli, so there's not gonna be any broccoli in there. What? Secret how to get kids to eat, their food.
Yeah, I'm the kid.
No, you're not the kid. What would make you think that? Peppery. Alright, we got a little bit of greens in there. We got the pasta. We got the pasta. The rigatoni. Alright, let's take out the turkey, okay? Let's hope that I don't drop the turkey. I might have just jinxed myself. If I drop this turkey, we still eating it, guys. We still eating it. I'm just saying if I drop this turkey, we still eating it. Kilo. 10-second rule. You heard the man.
I'm at 5 seconds.
It's 3 seconds, I thought. It shouldn't be 5. It should be like 3. I don't agree with that. Like, it falls, you get 1, 2, 3, pick it up and eat it. But your lies ain't working now. Look who's hurting now. Right, babe? Okay. Stop. Let's just hope that I don't burn myself.
You need my help?
You're a little late, bro. Oh, it's going through my hand. Okay. Here's the turkey. Girl! That turkey looked like a chicken. A big chicken. That feels nice and hard. Hold on. let me put you up somewhere here. Okay. There's the turkey. The turkey. The turkey. But it's not Thanksgiving, you say. But it was in my freezer, I say. Okay. All right. So, where'd that thingy go? Where'd I put the thermometer? We're going to use the thermometer and make sure, right, babe?
Yep.
We're gonna make sure with this thermometer here. It's supposed to be 165. So it is 180. Okay, good. Let's stick it here. Let's stick it. Is it there? Oh yeah, that says almost 200. I fogged you up, man. Okay. So. We are going to just eat the breast today. Well, I'll give Laylo a big leg because he likes legs. And I'm going to save the rest and I'm going to freeze it for another day. Gotta get my big knife. This is the good one. It looks like a turkey knife, right? Basically, right? Right, babe?
Yeah.
Told you. All right. I'm not a professional turkey cutter, okay? So we don't really care how the turkey looks. We just like, you know, there's some people that actually really care. Like, no, you're cutting the turkey wrong. We're not those type of people. We just cut the junk and like eat it. So I cut like a triangle or something. We're gonna get steroids with this bird. We're gonna get a bunch of steroids. Babe? I can't get it, babe. Hold on. Who's that? Ouch. Hey.
Frozen. I put them in the fridge. So thanks.
Thank you. Stop, lady.
They were frozen, but you put them in the fridge, so don't have to freeze them.
Oh, you could. They were frozen, so he's saying they're not bad. We should probably put them back in the freezer. We got some bagels for days, guy. Did you see that?
Bagels for days, guy.
Here, lady. It's hot. Oh, a piece of skin. Okay. It's hard. It's hard cutting a turkey, you know? Now I know why there's probably a certain way to cut it. What the hell? I'm fighting with this turkey, man. There we go. Make babies. Okay. We got some juice. Okay. This is what the turkey looks like now. So there's the turkey there. You can see the remnants. Okay. We're not gonna look on there. I'm gonna spare you, Jackie. And anybody else who does not like me, I apologize, okay? I apologize. Because just doing that just made me like, I'm telling you, I could be a vegetarian. I could be. But the rest of the people in my house need to eat meat, okay? So We are going to put some juice on this junk. Serve this up. Lay low! Okay, let's plate it, baby. Let's plate it. Let's plate it. And then I have to put that away real quick because the cats will try to eat it. I know they will. I know them. Okay. This is it. Bon appetit. That's what it be. That's what it look like. That's for dinner. That's gonna be the thumbnail. I love it. All right, guys, until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side. Love you mucho, mucho.